The Aonerex Wireless CarPlay Screen adds modern CarPlay and Android Auto to almost any vehicle without replacing the factory stereo, making older dashboards feel current again. Its 7-inch high-definition touch display with tempered glass looks crisp and responds quickly, so maps, music controls, and calls are easy to see and operate while driving. Wireless connections over Bluetooth and wireless network keep CarPlay, Android Auto, and screen mirroring running smoothly, and voice assistants like Siri handle hands-free tasks reliably. Built-in speakers sound decent on their own, and the option to route audio through Bluetooth, frequency modulation, or auxiliary cable lets you integrate it cleanly with existing car sound systems. Installation is straightforward, with the included mount and wide voltage support, so it works in many types of cars, sport utility vehicles, pickups, and trucks with minimal fuss. Backed by a brand that specializes in navigation gear and offers responsive support, it feels like a thoughtful upgrade for drivers who want better navigation and media without a full head unit swap.